Alright, YouTube, it's your kid of everything. Today, I'm finna begin to twist these. She's finna do my hair. She's finna do like 10-strand twist. I'm gonna have like a couple of them like this. I'm finna show y'all how I'm finna have it. I'm finna have it like, they finna be like this thick. And then like, y'all see how my hair is already a little bit of curly? Like, I'm gonna get my sister's gonna twist them, and then I'm gonna take them out in like 2 weeks. I'm gonna put it at the end of the video, the end result, and then yeah, I'm finna set the camera up. She finna start doing my hair. I'm finna get like the twists and shit. And all right, y'all. She finna get her working on my shirt right now. I'm finna be playing the game, so yeah, we just finna do this. All right, y'all can see she is halfway done with my shit, and she got 4 more to go, but y'all finna just watch till she finished done. Bro. So y'all can see she done did all this. I'm gonna leave it in for about 2 weeks, and I'm gonna take it out, and I'm gonna have to twist out the curly look. That's really what we're going for. That's really the whole point of it. Cause I like the curly look until I get my hair done in March. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all in 2 weeks. I'm gonna get back y'all in 2 weeks. I'm gonna take it out, and I'm gonna show y'all what they look like. But all right, y'all, we back. It's been a couple days. I'm finna go ahead and take these hoes out right now. I'm finna set the camera up, we finna take it out, and yeah. Alright, y'all, we finna start taking them out right now. We finna start taking them out. If y'all want another video like this, like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll do a couple of videos like this. We got one of them out so far. I'll take the hair ties off. We left them in for about 2 or 3 days. 2 or 3 days. We got a couple of them out. I'm gonna turn the camera back on when I take all of them out. All right, y'all, I just took them out. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comment section. See if I should start rocking this look or not. But yeah, this is pretty much the look I'm going for. If y'all like the video, like, subscribe, and comment. And peace. I'm gonna see you on the net.